Good afternoon. All is well? Yes. I am very happy to know that all of you have followed my class. Your participation was good. I think you are interested in the activities related to the lesson. I am very happy. Okay. Shall we continue? Okay. The last class we discussed the structure of a leaf. Then today the leaf, why leaves are called, my question is why leaves are called the food factory of the plant or the kitchen of the plant. Why? Why leaves are called the food factory of the plant or kitchen of the plant? Why? Tell me. Because green leaves make food for the plant. Okay. Green leaves make food for the plant. Why the leaves are called kitchen of the plant? The all green leaves make food for the plant. Clear? Okay. The next I am going to show you another leaf. I am going to show you another leaf. The leaves of croton plant. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? The leaves of croton plant. The leaves are dark red. The leaves are dark red. That have chlorophyll. Please listen to me. The croton plant, the leaves are dark red that have chlorophyll, but their green color is hidden by the presence of a red substance. That have chlorophyll, but the green color is hidden by the presence of a red substance. Okay. Now, all of you studied in 3rd standard. The leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata. Leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata. Please listen to me. Stomata. Stomata help the plants to breathe. Stomata help the plants to breathe. What is stomata? The leaf contain a tiny openings called stomata. What are their functions? What are their function? The air enters and moves out of the leaves through stomata. Then what is stomata? Leaf contain a tiny openings called stomata. Then what are their functions? Air enters and moves out of the leaves through stomata. Okay, then already studied in 3rd standard. Now the next one, how do please listen to me. How do leaves prepare food? How do leaves prepare food? Okay. The leaves contain a tiny, already discussed, the leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata. Then most of the leaves are in green color. It contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Now the leaves prepare food. The leaves prepare food using air, water, carbon dioxide and with the presence of sunlight. Okay, then already studied. Now, what is this? What is this? The leaves of mango tree. Then The two surfaces are there, the upper surface, this one upper surface and this one lower surface. Then what is the difference between upper surface and lower surface? Tell me, what is the difference between upper surface and lower surface? Okay, the upper surface is usually greener than the smaller surface. The upper surface is usually greener than the lower surface. What is the reason? What is the reason? Tell me, what is the reason? The upper surface has more chlorophyll in it. Okay, the upper surface has more chlorophyll. The leaves of mango tree. The leaves of mango tree. What is the difference between upper surface and lower surface? The upper surface is usually greener than the lower surface. What is the reason? Because the upper surface has more chlorophyll. Clear? All of you clear? Okay. Now, I will show a chart for you. Please listen to me. I show a chart for you. Next. What is this? Photosynthesis. You know photosynthesis? Photo means, tell me, photo means light. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Then what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The process by which the plants prepare food in their leaves using water, carbon dioxide, minerals and with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, you already studied in 3rd standard photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Please listen here, look at this chart. Please listen. The process of photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis. The parts of a plant are here. Then next, the process of photosynthesis. Please listen to me. What is this? Root. What is this? Root. The part of the plant, the root of the plant taking water and minerals from the soil. Please listen. The root of the plant take in water and minerals from the soil. From the roots and take in water and minerals. All of you clear? The first one, the root of the plant taking water and minerals. From these water and minerals go up the stem. Please listen. These water and minerals go up the stem and reach the leaves. Okay. The roots of the plants take in water and minerals and these water and minerals go up the stem and reach the leaves. Clear? Yes. The next one, the leaves contain tiny openings called stomata. Leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata. All of you understand what is stomata? Stomata help the plants to breathe. Okay. The leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata. The stomata taking carbon dioxide from the air. Stomata taking carbon dioxide from the air. And the leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Leaf contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Then chlorophyll takes in sunlight. Okay? Now understand what I say. The first one, the root of the plant taking water and minerals from the soil, and from the roots these water and minerals go up the stem and reach the leaves. The leaves contain a tiny openings called stomata, and stomata taking carbon dioxide from the air. The next, the leaves contain green pigment called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll take, now please listen here, sunlight. Okay, takes in sunlight. Clear? Now this one, oxygen is given out during photosynthesis. Okay, oxygen is given out during photosynthesis. Please listen here, the process of photosynthesis. All of you understand what I say. The carbon dioxide, to receive carbon dioxide from the air, and oxygen is given out during photosynthesis. Clear? Then ask a question like that, what is photosynthesis? The process by which the plants prepare food using water, minerals, carbon dioxide, and with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. That is called a photosynthesis. Okay? Clear? Then photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Photo means light and synthesis means to put together. Then in this picture, we listen here, the green leaves need water, air, minerals and carbon dioxide to make food. Okay. Now all of you understood what I say. Then what is photosynthesis? Okay. Please listen to me. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Yes, carrot. Carrot and potato. Okay. All of you clear? These are carrot and potato. Different parts of a plant store food in them. Different parts of a plant store food in them. Now please listen. The carrot, the food store in their roots. The food store in their roots. This one potato, the food store in their stem. All of you clear? Then carrot and potato. The food store, the carrot, the food store in their root, and potato, the food store in their stem. Then find out more examples of these like plants next class. Okay, find out more examples of these like plants. Next, all of you listen to me. Write some words here. The first one, photosynthesis. The first word, photosynthesis. The next, chlorophyll. The next, chlorophyll. Stomata. Stomata. Please listen to me. The first word photosynthesis and the second one chlorophyll and next stomata, sunlight, carbon dioxide. Clear? Photosynthesis, chlorophyll, stomata, sunlight, carbon dioxide. Write these words in your notebook 5 times. Okay? Please listen. First I read once more. The photosynthesis, chlorophyll, stomata, sunlight, carbon dioxide. Write 5 times. Okay, clear? The next, please listen to me. Please listen to me. The question, give reasons. Give reasons. Leaf is called the Please listen to me. The first question, give reasons. Give reasons. The question is, leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Leaf is called the food factory of the plant. What is the reason? All of you understand? Now, all of you, the next class, all of you, listen here. Give reasons. Leaf is called the food factory of the plant. Find out what is the reason. Okay. Today finish my class. See you next class. Thank you.